Hey there, adventurers! It's Jeremy from Everything RVs and More, and today I want to share something that's been on my mind since 2018. Tiny home living. You see, back in the day, I binge-watched Tiny Home Nation in one night. Yep, one night. And it hit me. How cool is it to minimalize your life to just the essentials? Fast forward to July 2021, and my family and I started living full-time in our RV. Let me tell you, this lifestyle is a game changer. That's when I came across Craftsman Tiny Homes, a brand that's redefining what it means to live small, but live well. As someone who runs a niche website for RVers, off-grid enthusiasts, and tiny home dreamers, I knew I had to share this brand with you. They're not just creating homes, they're creating possibilities. Their designs are next level, and as someone who's worked in a hardware store, I can tell you, the materials they use aren't just for show. These homes are built to last. My personal favorites, the Unibox and the Lookout. And let's not forget the classics like the Bunk and the Nordic. Every model feels like a dream just waiting to happen. Another reason I love Craftsman Tiny Homes, they make it easier for people to own one with great financing options and worldwide shipping. If you're curious, check out the financing advice I've shared on my website, everythingrvsandmore.com. The article's titled Tiny Home Financing, Options and Advice. It's a game changer for anyone considering tiny living. Now here's where it gets really exciting. I've been dreaming about collaborating with Craftsman Tiny Homes, not just for exposure, but to inspire more people to embrace this lifestyle. Imagine showcasing one of these homes here in Canada, or even setting up a tiny home Airbnb retreat in Costa Rica. The possibilities are endless. Picture this, a tiny home as our family's base, showing you what it's really like to live tiny. And maybe a second home as an Airbnb or even part of a contest. It's not just about business, it's about building connections and helping others find their perfect tiny home. So what about you? Are you ready to explore the world of tiny homes? Drop a comment below. Tell me about your tiny home dreams or experiences. And if you're intrigued by Craftsman Tiny Homes, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to use my referral code 093. Who knows? This could be the start of something incredible. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay adventurous, my friends.